Two-letter verbs. Two-letter verbs are doing words which are similar to three-letter verbs, but they follow different rule patterns. You just have to memorize them and get used to them because they are slightly different to the more common three-letter words that we've seen in the earlier lessons of Quick Arabic lessons. Let's start. So now we will look at two-letter verbs. In the earlier lessons we learnt about three-letter verbs, three-letter doing words. Now we want to look at two-letter verbs. Now the letters Qaf and Lam, let's look at what it means. The root meaning of the word Qaf and Lam, which is a two-letter verb, means said, to say something. Now if we wanted to say the word he said in past tense, we would have to add a mad, a stretch of a sound, and a fatha or a zabar on the lam, on the second letter. So that would be said as qala. Qala means he said. Now if we wanted to say the same two-letter word in present tense, we would say yaqulu, yaqul. Now this ya, similar to the three-letter verbs in present tense, means he is, and then the word after is qulu. Qul means saying. He is saying is yaqulu, yaqul. So qala means he said, yaqul is he is saying. Now in the middle we've got a word which is Qaf and Lam again, and it's a no tense word. No tense in Arabic is called masdar. Masdar means there is no tense attached to it. If you just wanted to say that somebody is saying, the concept of saying would be qawl. So a qawl is to say something. If you don't want to talk in past tense or present tense and you just said this is a saying, you would say hadha qawlun, this is a saying, to say something. So this is called no tense, and that is called masdar in Arabic. This is like the root word of the letters Qaf and Lam, qawl. Now similar to three-letter verb lessons that we learnt about fa'il, about doers, the word qawl in fa'il form, in doer form, is sayer. So doer of Qaf and Lam is qa'il, somebody who says something. Okay. Now if we want to look at the word qala, he said, in passive form, passive form means you don't know who the doer is. It just means that it was said. We don't know who said it. It just emphasizes that something was said by somebody. Then you would say qila. So qala means he said, and qila is it was said. And one more last thing that we're going to learn is fi'al amr. Fi'al amr is the command form. When you command somebody to say, so you say, then that would be qul. You add a dhamma, a u vowel mark on the first root letter of the two-letter verb. Now I want you to practice with these words at the bottom of the page and see if you can put them into past tense, to present tense, into fa'il tense in the middle, and command form. Practice and you'll get used to two-letter verbs, inshallah.